Volkswagen has officially unveiled the second-generation T-Roc, one of its most popular models worldwide. And this time, the changes are bigger, smarter, and greener than ever before. 8 years after the debut of the original, the 2025 VW T-Roc comes with a larger body, sleeker design, and a brand new interior that finally matches the standards of its larger SUV siblings. But the biggest news is the introduction of Volkswagen's first ever full hybrid powertrain, making this compact crossover a true milestone in the brand's electrification journey. On the outside, the new T-Roc retains the character of the original while pushing design forward. The front end takes clear inspiration from VW's latest EV family, with a full-width LED light bar and an illuminated badge replacing the traditional grille. Sporty bumper intakes and a subtle skid plate add confidence, while the profile continues to feature the distinctive hockey stick line flowing into the muscular C-pillar. Larger wheels, up to 20 inches, and sculpted fenders enhance the athletic stance. At the rear, wide LED taillights and a sloping windshield inject a coupe-like feel, and the reshaped body improves aerodynamics by 10%, lowering the drag coefficient to 0.29 CD. Buyers will be able to choose from base, life, style, and R-line trims, with the R-line standing out thanks to aggressive bumpers, a diffuser, and an optional black style package for darker accents. 6 vibrant paint options will be offered, including canary yellow, flamed red, and celestial blue, with contrast roof finishes available. Dimensionally, the T-Roc has grown. It now measures 4,373 millimeters in length, 122 millimeters longer than before, with a wheelbase stretched by 28 millimeters to improve passenger space. This positions the model neatly between the smaller Taygo and T-Cross and the larger Tiguan and T-Roc in VW's European lineup. Practicality also improves, with 465 liters of cargo space, 20 liters more than the previous model. Inside, the cabin has undergone a complete transformation. The hard plastics are gone, replaced with soft-touch materials, fabric finishes, and ambient lighting that even shines through perforated leatherette. Sustainability is front and center too, with 20% of the plastics coming from recycled materials. At the heart of the dashboard sits a new 10.4 or 12.9-inch infotainment screen, paired with a 10-inch digital cluster and optional head-up display. While touch sliders remain, VW has smartly added a multifunction rotary knob borrowed from the Tiguan to control volume, drive modes, and ambient atmospheres. Premium touches like 14-way ergo-active seats with massage functions and a Harman Kardon sound system are also available. Safety and driver assist technology also get a serious upgrade. The new travel assist system supports automatic lane changes and predictive speed control, while new features like exit warning and Park Assist Pro with memory function improve day-to-day usability. Under the skin, the updated MQB Evo platform supports a wide range of powertrains. At launch, buyers will get 2 mild hybrid versions of the 1.5-liter ETSI engine with outputs of 114 HP and 148 HP. Both paired to a 7-speed DSG and supported by a 48-volt system that can briefly boost power. But the real headline is Volkswagen's first ever full hybrid system, combining a 1.5-liter TSI Evo 2 engine with an electric motor and lithium-ion battery. Offered in 134 horsepower or 168 horsepower versions, the hybrid delivers up to 306 Newton-meters of torque for a smooth, efficient drive. A traditional 2-liter TSI with optional 4-motion all-wheel drive will join the lineup later. Pre-sales for Europe will begin at the end of August, with deliveries set for November 2025. Pricing has not yet been announced. Sadly, Volkswagen has no plans to bring the T-Roc to North America, where the smaller TOS fills its role. Since 2017, the T-Roc has sold more than 2 million units globally, including nearly 300,000 in 2023 alone, making it Volkswagen's second best-selling SUV after the Tiguan. With sharper styling, smarter tech, and its groundbreaking hybrid system, the 2025 T-Roc looks ready to continue that success story.